What's your name?
My name is Jimmy T. Jimmy T.
What do you mean Jimmy T?
Jimmy T is my brother Booker T.
Booker T, is it your brother or...
No, it's my brother.
How do you relate to Booker T?
But I didn't see you a long time. That time I was young.
Uh-huh.
Believe me, that time
Where?
in America. But now I'm living in South Africa.
Oh. So now can you recognize him if you see?
Yeah.
So-
I remember
So your name is Jimmy T and Booker T is...
his brother.
So now what message are you willing to give him?
Just I need to call. I need to call back.
Okay.
If you see, it's my face.
Okay, what makes you and him different? Stay different place.
Yeah.
What
But
makes
I'm Africa, so I'm living in South Africa, Cape Town. But
Okay.
he's living in America.
Okay. Thank you.